Hey my friend, today's video is not about grammar or vocabulary or practice phrases. Today it's about you. You, the one sitting there trying to learn English. You, the one who maybe feels slow, the one who struggles to remember words, the one who sometimes says, "My English is terrible. I'm not smart enough. Everyone is better than me." Stop! Take a breath, close your eyes for a second, and listen carefully. You're doing great. Yes, really. You showed up. You're learning something new. That alone makes you stronger than most people. Let me tell you something important. Language learning is not a straight line. It's not perfect. You go up, then down. You remember something, then forget. You feel confident today and lost tomorrow, and that's okay. That's normal. That's human. Here at English in Action, we've made over 14 videos so far, just for beginners like you. We've covered daily English phrases, real conversations, short stories, podcasts, grammar in action, shadowing practice, but those are just tools. What really matters is you using them. Even 10 minutes a day can change everything. It's not about how fast you go, it's about not stopping. Imagine this. You keep watching our videos, you repeat out loud, you try to use the phrases with a friend or in class, and one day, you understand someone speaking fast. You reply without thinking. You feel proud. That day will come if you don't quit. Now let's be real. Some days will feel boring. Some days you'll feel like your brain isn't working. That's when you have two choices. Give up, keep going. Choose number 2, even if it's just one phrase, even if it's just repeating one sentence. Watch a video on your phone, listen while you walk, speak in front of the mirror, or just think in English for a minute. Everything counts. You don't need a perfect accent. You don't need to sound like a native. You just need to communicate. And that, my friend, starts with trying. You know, we read your comments. We see your progress. And we want you to know you are not alone. You're part of this growing community. We're in this journey together. So today's message is simple. Believe in yourself. Don't say, "I'm bad at English." Say, "I'm learning, I'm growing, I'm doing my best." Because it's true, and we see it. One more thing. Learning English is like growing a plant. You water it a little every day, and at first, nothing happens. But later, it grows, then blooms, and one day it becomes a strong tree. Your English is that tree, and every time you speak, that's a drop of water. So don't stop, even when it's hard, even when it feels slow. We're here. We'll keep making videos, and we'll keep saying, "You've got this." Thanks for being here with us today. If no one told you this today, let us be the first. We're proud of you. You're doing. See you in the next video on English in Action. Until then, keep learning, keep believing, keep going. Bye for now, my friend.